Mose Kelemon as from going to Yazelo. 9Njeria Pose Kelemon and the Bonande Kelemon. As Mukone made the Mayagaseria, going in Mabadindo, Yagaseria. This is Precious Google's official. I'm here again. The record straight. See, I am actually surprised that some people who call themselves Biafrans, those that are from the south, those that are from the southeast, and even those that call themselves Nigerians, those that are from the middle belt, those that are from the south in the southwest, and those from the north. I am actually surprised that people who call themselves human beings can be happy, can be rejoicing that whenever Biafran Liberation Army and Biafran resistance fighters go and attack Nigeria police and the Nigerian military, Nigerians are actually happy whenever Nigeria army and police go and start attacking innocent people in their home, start burning their home, start bombing their home, start burning their shop. I am actually surprised that somebody who called his or herself human being can actually be happy that Nigerian military and paramilitary are attacking innocent people home, killing innocent people whenever armed people attack them. What kind of a human being are you? I am asking you this question. I am even seeing some Igbos, some people who are bearing Igbo names, asking you, why did you people attack them? You think that they will not retaliate? Retaliate on innocent people. Can you listen to yourself? Can you actually listen to yourself? Can you actually listen to yourself? People will not go attack them. Why will they cry now? Why will they complain? So you are actually happy that after the Biafran Defense Forces finish attacking the Nigerian military and paramilitary, that they should go after innocent people that knows nothing about what happened, that are not carrying arms. You are actually happy as a human being that have common, as a human being that have sense, that have brain. You are happy that after armed people attack the Nigerian police and army, that they should go after innocent people. You are happy. My God, what kind of human being do we have in this country called Nigeria? What kind of human being do we actually have in this country called Nigeria? You are happy that Nigeria police and army are attacking innocent people like you? The war that is going on in Israel and Gaza today, what started it? What started the war that is going on in Israel and Gaza today? What started? It's similar to something that is happening here. The Hamas that call themselves freedom fighters left the Israel military that they're supposed to go and attack and went to a music festival and start killing innocent people and adopting many. Hamas that are fighting, that say that they are fighting for freedom, left the Israel military that they're supposed to go and attack. Israel military that has weapons like them, left them and went after the people that are celebrating music festival and go and start killing innocent people and adopting many. This is exactly what is happening in Biafra. You're happy now that Nigerian military are going after innocent people when they're supposed to be going after those that are attacking. You're happy. See, let me tell you one thing. Let me tell you one thing. It will happen to you one day. You think it's a joke. You think you're making fun of. You think you're making fun of what is happening now, and you think it's going to last. Just remember that Biafrans have defense forces also. They have military people too. Don't cry when this Biafran military start attacking innocent people in Nigeria. Don't be surprised. Don't cry that time. When the Biafran military will start going to Lagos, the southwest, the middle belt, and the north, and start attacking innocent people, don't cry that time. You think it's only people that have monopoly of violence? Don't cry that time. I'm telling you this. Don't cry. When Biafran military will leave the Nigerian military, they're supposed to attack and go after you. or your family or your mother. Don't cry that time, because this is exactly what you're supporting right now. You're happy that whenever the Biafra military attack the Nigerian military and paramilitary, that they should not bother going after the Biafra military that attack them. They should just go after innocent people and start burning their home and start adopting and killing them. That is what you're supporting. It will happen to you. It will touch you. You are celebrating now that Nigerian military leave people that attack them and go after innocent men and women and children. That is what you are rejoicing about. What kind of man being are you? You see, this is the only reason why the Nigerian police and army attack your youth. Because they know that you support this kind of evil. They know that in your heart you support this kind of evil. So after attacking Biafra, they will still attack you. They stop you on the way, start searching your phone, start maltreating you, arresting you, doing you all manner of evil. That is because you support what they are doing. You're condoning evil. It is happening to other people. You're happy now. It could happen to you. If it don't happen to you, it will happen to one of your family. If it don't happen to one of your family, it will happen to one of your friends. That is sure. Instead of you condemning what is happening now, advising the Nigerian military to actually go after those that attack them and leave the innocent people to be, you are happy. You are happy saying she be on attack them for. So why you attack them? You think they no go retaliate? And when Biafran army now go and retaliate in Lagos and Abuja, you say that they are killing innocent people. Nah, they are killing Biafra. They are not innocent people, Shebi. They are not innocent people to you. Because of your word, Biafra. Because you people know they use to hear anything that has to do with Biafra. You are happy now. One thing I'm going to tell you, be happy also when Nigerian military and paramilitary started terrorizing you people, attacking you people on the road, on your way, searching, brutalizing, beating, arresting you people whenever you people go to protest, arresting you people whenever you people want to stand up yourself. I want you to also be happy when they are doing this thing to you also, because this is what you're supporting. You're supporting everyone and they think it will happen to you. If you don't touch you this month, it will touch you this month. If you don't touch you this year, it will touch you this year. But one thing I want you to be assured is that it must surely touch you or those people that you love. You're condoning what Nigerian military are doing in Biafra and bombing people home. You're happy. Some people that are even answering the name, you're happy that they are going after innocent people. My God, may God have mercy on you people evil. So you people are so evil. You people are so evil. So you're actually telling me now. You're actually telling me now that mistakenly somebody, maybe some cultists in your area, go after police. Maybe eventually they kill one police or army, and instead of those army that will come back to go and start looking for those cultists, they will just come inside your house, arrest you, start beating you, or start beating your friend, or start shooting. You're going to be happy. You're going to be happy because you only will still complain that time. Why did the Nigerian police and the army, why did they not go after the cultists, people that attacked them? Why are they coming after innocent? You're happy now. Exactly what is happening now. You're happy. The hand that you used to point at somebody, that is the same hand they will use to point at you. You're happy now. You're happy now that if instead of Nigerian military to go after the Biafra military that attack them at the checking point at their police station, at their checkpoint, instead of you advising them to go after these people, you are now happy that they are throwing bomb at people's home, killing innocent people. You're happy. God will punish you. God will punish you. Your life will continue to be miserable. Nigeria must happen to you. Everything Nigeria represents must happen to you. The atrocity of Nigeria must happen to you and those you love. You can never escape it. For this kind of mindset you have, you can never escape the evil that comes with Nigeria. Your family can never escape the evil that comes with Nigeria. Those you love will never escape the evil that comes with Nigeria. Since you're supporting this kind of evil and atrocity, Nigeria must happen to you. Nigeria must happen to you. Nigeria must happen to you, and so shall it be in the name of Chukwokikabiama. You can never escape it. You are supporting the Nigerian military and Nigerian police going after innocent people that knows nothing about the attack. You're supporting it. And when something happens in your area and police go and start attacking innocent people, you also will complain that why are they going after people that did nothing? Now you are supporting it because you hate Biafra. Nigeria must happen to you. You can never escape it. It's a promise. As many of you who are happy on what Nigerian military are doing in Biafra land, going after innocent people, adopting innocent youth, killing innocent women, raping, burning home, as many of you that are happy about what is happening right now, you can never escape the evil that comes with Nigeria. You can never escape it. Your family can never escape it. Those you love can never escape it. It's a curse that I place on as many of you who are happy on what is happening in Biafra land right now. Instead of you to go and start telling your Nigerian military, your untrained, unprofessional terrorist Nigerian military and paramilitary to leave innocent people alone. Instead of you to tell them to leave innocent people alone, these people has nothing to do with what happened to you. You know.
Okay, my people, this message is very, very important. That's why I decided to bring it for us to understand what this our brother is saying here about the invasion of Nigerian army in our land. It's not about Nigerian army alone, but what just like the pain in the voice on the minds of the person that you just heard now, that you just listened to. Many DOS, Emeka Gift, all of them, Panon, they all have this mindset of let us hide anything that Nigerian army is doing in our land and, push that on Biafran Liberation Army. Honestly, what he said here is the fact. Time is coming when Biafran Army we go wage war against those who claim that Biafrans anywhere you are. You don't need to keep on supporting evil because you hate or you are not allowed to be in the helm of affairs, to pilot affairs. I don't know why our people are so hell-bent in making sure, forcing themselves to be leader when you don't have what it takes. Even if you have what it takes, you are lacking a lot of things which you don't, some qualities that you're supposed to have but which you don't have. But you want to be, just like what is going on in different governments in Israel today. I want to be leader, I want to be leader. This is what is going on. DOS, a mega gift to Chinasa Wolu, a Mapower for Metusela, Biafran Child, all these people, they hate PM and they can sabotage anything. When what is name? Ikenga said that instead of Biafran Prime Minister to bring Biafra, that he will scatter everything. So what again? Because when they confess, we easily forget and start trying to make sense out of sabotage that they told you from day one that for you to bring Biafra, that he will sabotage everything. And that's what he's playing at. And he's still moving freely. People are paying their life and going through a lot because of that. And they think it's normal. Anyway, Oye went to Ghana. My own not to talk. Anyway, God bless you, my people. Tell me what you think about it and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Very, very important. Like the video, of course. And God bless you. Bye-bye for now.